how to transfer FLOKI from Binance to bitget wallet. Now, to be able to do that, make sure you are logged into your Binance account first. Now, after that, go and click on icon wallet. Now, go and click on spot. Now, after that, click on withdraw. Now, after that, as you can see, search for FLOKI like this. Now, after you find it, now select it. Now, we need to withdraw address. Now, how to get it? Just go to and open your bitget wallet extension. Now, make sure to log into your account or to your wallet. Now, after you are in your wallet, as you can see from here, we need to be able to copy the withdrawal address of FLOKI. Now, as you can see, if you search for it, as you can see, FLOKI like this, you can't find it. So to be able to do that, just the set network as a BIP20 like this. Now to withdraw address to get it, just go and click again on the bitget wallet. Now scroll down, and after that, click on the receive. And now, as you can see, because of the we select the network sold, we need to change the network from here to BNB chain. Now, as you can see, just click on receive, and now, as you can see, after we change from Sol network to BNB, we can now copy it. Now from here, just paste it. Now, as you can see, after that, you can now enter how much of FLOKI you want to transfer, and read this information of the send. So this is how much you will receive, and this is how much of fee you will pay. After you are ready to go, just click on withdraw, and you will be able to transfer FLOKI from Binance to bitget wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.